What is going on? I I hadn't recorded a video because I had been kind of sick and I didn't want to be like trying to sneeze and blow my nose all the time. So quite a bit of updates here recently. One you can already see. We have a brand new 3060. It is sealed. This I'll probably open in another video, but since I already got it, I just thought I'd show. But 3060, I had the chance to buy it. I normally buy the 1060s, that's what I've been buying. As you can see, like that's what's in the rig. But I had a chance to get this at a pretty good deal. So I took a guy up on it, he was local, and now I have a brand new card, my first ever new card for mining. I think it doesn't say that it is LHR, like nothing there, and then if we flip it over, normally it has like another logo that says LHR, so that you know if it's like the LHR model, but I'm pretty sure that it's not. But we'll have to double check the code on the back of the GPU and just see if it matches I believe it's 2405 is LHR, 2404 or 2403, something like that, is non. I'm really hoping that it's non-LHR, but if it is, oh well. But we got some other packages, so we're going to open this one and then open the bigger box from Amazon. We got quite a few things in, so we got to do some upgrades. So let me push this one away, and then we'll go ahead and open up this little guy really quick. Covered up the address so nobody would try to figure out who I am or where I live. Come on. There we go. Trying to do this one-handed. Kind of rough. Alright, well that's what we like to see. They at least did padding. Throw that off to the side. We got some padding. Very nicely padded. Wow. Most of the GPUs I buy don't come as well wrapped as this. I guess I already told you what it is. We got another GPU. Let's go ahead and I probably can't open this one-handed, so I'll be right back. You'll see it in 3, 2, 1. And there we go. We have another 1060, 6GB. The gigabyte model, that's what has been in this whole entire rig here. So I'm trying to finish it. It's almost done, and then we can start working on rig number 2. But got another one, used obviously. Not entirely sure where this one came from, but time to open the big package from Amazon. Quite a few goodies. So let me set the camera down. Alrighty, we have 2 EVGA SuperNOVA 1000-watt power supplies, 80 plus gold rated. These are one of these is going to be for the next build, start of the next build. The other one I'm actually going to replace. In this current rig, we have a 650 and an 850. So I'm going to take out the 650. I'm going to put one of the 1000 watts in with the 850, just because we're pretty much at the 80% rule, pretty dang close. I only need 2 more GPUs technically to finish it. So with the 1000 watt and the 850, we should be pretty good, even with the 80% rule in play. So I went ahead and got 2 of these. And then this guy, I've been so pumped for this because I've wanted like the screen, like those little touch screens that go on the rig, instead of having like the actual like monitor. So like instead of having this like giant monitor, keyboard, mouse, and everything, I just wanted like those little screens. So here we have one of the 7-inch touch screen little. Let me get it opened up here so you can see how it looks. Boom, there we go. So this will be our new monitor for the rig. Once I get it all set up, I'm going to do a video setting this thing up, just because I've never had one. And then we'll do obviously a video with the brand new 3060. And then I need to get this guy put in as well. But I am going to first take it apart, make sure that we put on some new thermal compound for the heat plate, just because I'm sure it's probably never been changed, so it's pretty old. Oh, I have another thing actually, so let me flip this back over, put this back so we don't break it. Boom. Okay. So we already have our next motherboard. We also have CPU, RAM, and we also have the cooler. I do need to clean off the old thermal paste. This is used. I actually got this at a pretty good deal as well. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 PCIe Express ports that I'm able to use for the risers. I'm going to have to end up getting some more, zoom in a little bit so you can see the 1 to 4 splitter adapters for this motherboard. That way I can have maybe like 2 of the splitters, or like 1 splitter up here and then another splitter down here. I think the goal with this one, this one obviously is, we're planning to do a 12 by 1066 gigabyte, mining Ethereum. And then this board, since I have the new 3060, this one, we might do like a 6 by 3060 or a 8 by 3060. I haven't quite decided yet. Obviously, like, I mean, these are like super old. These are DDR2 RAM, so those might be an issue. Not too sure. I think we should be good, but if I have to replace them, no worries. This I still need to clean the thermal compound off of. I don't know if the camera will focus, but it's an Intel dual core. Let's see what dual core 2.66 gigahertz. So should be okay. Motherboard itself, it's an Asus PSK-E. Previously used for gaming, I believe, and then the person upgraded, so went ahead and snatched it from them for surprisingly only $30. So I paid $30 for this motherboard with the CPU, the RAM, and the cooler heatsink. As far as like this first rig, we kind of went all out. We bought the brand new motherboard. We bought a brand new CPU, cooler, with the heatsink. Everything's new on that one except for the GPUs. We're gonna go the cheaper route and try and see how that works. So we got the used motherboard with everything that we needed. So this video is kind of long, so go ahead and end it. But yeah, I'm excited to get a lot of the new stuff hooked up, and we'll see where we're at after that. Take care.